If your social media is a buffet, YouTube is the dessert bar you never skip. Let's dig into why YouTube is the best thing since sliced bread. Okay, imagine this. You're bored, it's 2 a.m., and you can't sleep. What do? YouTube, baby. Need to learn how to fix a leaky faucet? YouTube's got your back. Want to watch cats playing piano? YouTube's got you covered. And let's not forget those weirdly satisfying slime videos. Plus, it's like a magical portal to every part of the world. You can watch a cooking show from Italy, a travel vlog from Japan, or even a guy just sitting in his room talking about life. It's like having the whole world in your pocket. So why YouTube? Because it's your ultimate companion for learning, laughing, and everything in between. Now go click that play button. Let's talk about the money. YouTube isn't just for fun, it's also a goldmine for creators. You can earn through ads, sponsorships, and even merchandise sales. The more views and subscribers you have, the more you can earn. So start creating and watch the dollars roll in. Now go make that content and get paid.